Hello and welcome. What you should know before you take this course: you should have a basic knowledge of XML and Java. Who should take this course? This course is an absolute beginners to Android for people who have not developed in Android before. Also anyone who is new to programming. What you will learn on the course includes installing Android Studio. You'll be writing Java code and also representing XML with your widgets. You'll be working with emulators, creating new Android project. You'll learn how to use tools to display messages on the screen. You'll be creating widgets and connecting your XML widgets to Java code. You'll learn how to add images, and you'll be creating a single screen currency converter app. You also learn how to use constraints on your widgets. The course format is video based and is approximately 3 hours long. Thanks, and look forward to seeing you on the course.